QuestDB versus TimescaleDB. So if you're dealing with data from IoT devices, finance, app metrics, or sensors, this video will help you pick the right tool for your use case. Let's jump into it. Now let's start with QuestDB. This is an open source high performance time series database that's built for speed. It uses standard SQL with custom time series extensions and is designed to ingest millions of rows per second. Pros: blazing fast ingestions and queries, native support for SQL with time-based functions, lightweight and easy to self-host, great for real-time dashboards and analytics. There are some drawbacks: no built-in full-text search, less mature ecosystem than PostgreSQL, and still growing in features as of 2025. Now, this is best for teams needing ultra-fast performance for large-scale time series data, especially in real time. Timescale. So Timescale is a time series database built on PostgreSQL, which means it gives you all the benefits of Postgre plus optimizations for time-based data. So this is based on PostgreSQL, full SQL support, scalable hypertables for large data sets, works with many existing Postgres tools, strong documentation and community. Now there are some drawbacks. So this is slightly heavier setup than QuestDB. Ingestion speed is good, but not as fast as QuestDB. And there is also some advanced features which require the paid cloud version. Now, this is best for teams who want PostgreSQL compatibility of time series superpowers. Final verdict: which one should you choose? So go with QuestDB if you want raw speed, real-time ingestion, and a lightweight setup for metrics, sensors, or trading data. Or go from TimescaleDB if you want a feature-rich PostgreSQL compatible solution for long-term data analysis, complex queries, and integrations with BI tools. Both are open source and developer friendly. It really comes down to speed versus ecosystem.